Okay, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today's video is going to be on the Sleeping Red Hibiscus. I had this several years ago sitting over in that section where all the hedges are, and I removed it because it literally got out of hand. It'll turn out to be a humongous bush, and I'm talking about maybe something that was about 10, 12 feet in width, circumference-wise. And it grew to about, say, 7, 8 feet. But it was there for about 1, 2, 3 years, I believe. And I decided to take it out because it was really taking over that whole section of the yard. So it's a great landscape plant if you have an area that is large enough to accommodate it. Because it literally, it will cascade out in all directions. But what you get is these beautiful red flowers. They don't open up. That's why they call it the Sleeping Hibiscus for some reason. I guess whoever coined that phrase in the beginning. But look how healthy this little puppy is. And that's a few other ones. And when I was pulling them out yesterday, apparently Mother Nature got the best of me, and I pulled it out and it got caught on a croton plant over there, and that snapped off. But it still had two buds on it, so that's why I had it over here so I could show the nice pretty flowers that comes out. It doesn't really open per se. That's as big as what it gets, but very pretty flower. You know, somebody with a lot of property, this is what you can add to it. The Sleeping Red Hibiscus. Please like the video, stop by, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, curiosity about this plant, please let us know. And one thing I can tell you, it loves to bloom red flowers once it's in the ground. You can see from all the buds all over this plant. And that's in a pot, it's not even in the ground. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.